For facilities processing healthcare and hospitality textiles, maintaining hygienic standards is an essential part of daily operations. That's where barrier laundry solutions can play an important role.
Dobrý den, mé jméno je Zdeněk a pracuji jako manažer prodeje pro firmu Primus a aktuálně se nacházíme v českobudějovické prádelně Salesianer Miettex.
To meet the customer's operational requirements, 3 MXB500 barrier washers and 1 MB140 barrier washer were selected and manufactured for this installation. Together, they provide the capacity required for daily textile processing while supporting hygienic laundry workflows and strict hygiene standards. The installation is complemented by an intuitive touchscreen control, helping operators manage daily laundry processes with ease. Primus solutions designed for healthcare environments where hygiene matters most.
Na závěr bych rád poděkoval za důvěru. Jsme rádi, že Primus může být partnerem takovéto mezinárodní prádelnické společnosti.